Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all fine at your home. Wishing you happy, prosperous new year. Okay children? And this is our new video, and from English book we are going to learn lesson 6, the magic tree. Okay? The magic tree. THE, the MAGIC, magic, TREE, tree, the magic tree. I hope you will like this story very much. It will be very interesting, and I will explain you each and every line and also with the pictures. Okay children? See this picture children, who is standing there? There is a small boy, isn't it? He is also studying in your class, grade 1. Okay. So this little boy was walking in a park. Do you like to go to park children? Yes, of course you like, isn't it? Yes, weekly once or monthly once you will go for outing with your parents, isn't it? You will go for outing and you will get the lovable things, what are all the things you like, isn't it? It will be very happiest moment, isn't it? So the same thing, there is a boy standing near the tree. He is a very small boy like you. He is also studying in grade 1 and he is walking in a park. Okay, so in the park, what are all the things you can see in the park children? Tell me. Yes, trees, plants, flowers, swing like that, isn't it? Yes, if you go to park, you will play, isn't it? So the same thing, the boy also came to park. In that park, there was a big tree. Near there is one tree, no? It is very big, isn't it? Yes. So there was a big tree and he was seeing what is there written on the tree. Okay. The boy was noticing that there was a board written on the tree, isn't it? Are you seeing that board children? What they are written there? It written, I am a magic tree. Say the magic words, you will then see. What does it mean children? The tree is saying that I am a magic tree. If you say the magic words, you will get a surprise. That is the meaning for that words. Okay. The boy was reading that words. So he want to see that surprise. Of course, if you see anything new and you also feel excited, isn't it? You will be feeling excited, isn't it? The same thing, the boy is also feeling excited to see the words, read the words. The tree is a magic tree, and if you say magic words, you will see the surprise from the tree. This is what the meaning for that words. Okay children, what you will feel after reading this wordings like this in the park? You will be happy. You want to see that surprise what it is, isn't it? Yes, you want to see what will be, what is going to happen and what the next, isn't it? Everybody wants to know. Yes, the boy like you, the boy also wants to know what is next, what is the surprise behind the magic tree. And if I say the magic words, did I get the surprise? He is thinking. Okay, the small boy is thinking. He wants to know what is the surprise thing. So if he want to know the surprise, he have to say the magic words, isn't it? That is the rules from the tree, isn't it? He have to say the magic words, then only the tree will open. Yes or no? Yes. So the boy tried to guess the magic words. He is saying apricot, apricot, antara, like that. He is saying so many words and he is guessing so many words. But what happened? Nothing is worked out. Okay, nothing is worked out. Whatever the word he is guessing, the tree is not accepting anything because that is not his own magic words. Okay, so he was very much tired. He became tired. Why he got tired, children? Because he was saying so many words but the tree is not accepting. So obviously you will get tired, isn't it? And he started to please the tree. Okay, okay children, he started to please the tree. You will ask help from anybody, means you want to please, isn't it? And if you need anything, you will go to your parents and you will please them, isn't it? Daddy, I need this. Mummy, I need this, like that, isn't it? The same thing, the boy became tired of saying all those magic words. He do not know what is the exact magic word. Okay, so the tree is also not accepting what the boy is saying. So he started to please the tree. That means what? He is saying that please accept my words. I want to know what is the surprise behind you. Please accept me. I don't know the magic words and you should accept what I am saying. Please tree. He is asking, pleasing to the tree to accept his magic words. Okay, what you thinking of that? Whether the tree is accepted his request? Yes or no? Do you think the tree can accept the request of the small boy? Yes, of course. What happened? The tree accepted his request and a big door opened in the trunk. There was a bright sign on it. Okay children, see that picture? There big door opened in the trunk. Okay, so there some words have written on that inside the tree. What it has written? Carry on with your magic. You can do whatever you like. You can go inside. This is the meaning. Okay children, so after seeing that, the small boy was very much happy because the tree accepted his request, isn't it? And also the door also opened. In yes or no? Yes. So he felt very happy and he can go inside to the trunk. Okay. Suddenly he started to thank the tree. If you get any help from anybody, what you will do, children? What you will do? Simply you will come from that place? No, you should thank them. That is the good behavior. Yes or no children? If you get any help from anybody, you should thank them. That is the good habit. Okay. So what happened after that? After seeing that the tree is opened, the boy immediately he started to thank the tree and he is saying that thank you dear tree. Okay, so this is the good habit you should also learn. You should thank everybody when you get help from others. After thanking the tree, what the boy should do, children? Yes, he want to go inside and see the surprise, isn't it? Yes, for that only he was struggling a lot, isn't it? Yes, he want to go inside the path. The tree opened his path, isn't it? Yes. So when he entered inside the path full of lights. Okay, it is very bright. There is no darkness at all. So it is very easy to get inside to the tree. The path full of brightness. That means what? The path full of lights. How we are walking through the streets, there are street lights, isn't it? That give us brightness. The same thing inside there is no darkness, there is no fright, anything, and he can walk easily through the brightness. Okay, so at the end of the path, what all the things will have there? Do you have any guess? Can you guess anything? Do you have any idea, children? Do you have any idea? Reply me. Yes. So he got such a surprise inside the end of the tree. Let us see what is the surprise. Okay. Shall we see what surprise at the end of the tree? See the pictures. What is there, children? Yes, lots of toys are there. Do you like to play with the toys, children? Of course, you will buy the toys wherever you go, isn't it? Yes, the boy got the surprise. At the end of the tree there were so many toys which he cannot imagine. So when you see the toys, what will you feel, children? You will feel happy, isn't it? Yes, different toys and colorful toys and everything are very cute. Okay, that was very big surprise to that small boy. Okay, so this there ends the story, the magic tree. The lesson ends there. Okay, so in this lesson we can learn two words, moral values from this lesson. Okay, let me explain what is that moral value. Okay, at first what happened, children? He want to say the magic words, isn't it? Otherwise the door will not open. That means the tree will not accept to open the door, isn't it? So at first he tried to say some magic words, isn't it? Is that worked out? No, isn't it? First after that what he did, he started to please the tree, isn't it? Yes, he started to please open, he is saying, isn't it? Yes, so that is the request. The immediately the tree accepted. Do you understand what I'm saying, children? That is the request. The tree understand and also accepted to open the path. Okay, so the tree, the request, what the boy requesting, he is pleasing, isn't it? So that word please is considered as magic word. Do you understood? So this is the first thing we have to learn. If you need any help, you should go and ask politely. Okay, children, you should please them. Then only they will have some courtesy and they will help you. How the tree accepted the boy's request, isn't it? The same thing, if you need any help, you should please others. Then only they will help you. That is the first magic word you should learn in your life. Okay? Okay. Second magic word. What is the second magic word? Yes, thank you, isn't it? After requesting, the tree accepted to open, and after opened, the boy immediately, without any delay, he started to thank the tree. Yes or no? Yes. If he opened alone, what happened? Nothing will happen, isn't it? He opened and also he gave the surprise gift that is full of toys, isn't it? So what is the second word he accepted? That means the tree accepted thank you. So the boy's behavior, the good behavior, touched the tree. Is that okay, children? So you should also learn this magic words, that is please and thank you. Do you understood, children? Wherever you go, you should be very polite, and that means what? Pleasing others for help is that shows your behavior, how polite you are, how good you are, how you are behaving very good. So everybody see your behavior, not your inner heart, isn't it? Yes. So after getting help from anybody, you should thank them. You should say thank you. This is the magic words the boy applied to the tree. The same thing, you should also learn the magic words of two things, please and thank you. That will help you lifelong, not only in your first standard. Okay, lifelong you should learn this magic words. Okay, children, that same thing the boy also applied, the tree also accepted. He got, at last what he got the full of toys, colorful toys, isn't it? So by behaving good, you will also get the good reward from God and the parents. Okay, children, do you understood this story? That means the lesson. I hope you all understood the lesson and the pictures, isn't it? You will have the pictures in your book also. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson, and also you have learnt the moral values. I hope you will remember the two magic words, that is please and thank you. Okay children, don't forget these two magic words. Okay, that will help you for a long. Okay children, I hope you all loved this lesson. We will meet in the next video. Okay children, take care. Thank you so much, and complete all the works which is sending in the group. Okay children, thank you all.